Welcome to the Gambia. This is the Gambia River, and it flows the entire way from the east of the country all the way to the coastline.
Hi, I'm Will. This is Chris, and we're going to attempt to paddle the entire length of the country. 470 kilometers of stunning landscapes, amazing wildlife, and extreme heat.
I am absolutely
Meeting local communities and coming face to face with hippos. Join us on our adventure as we travel the entire length of the Gambia.
Good morning. It's 8 AM and the tide has changed, so we're off. The river is definitely changing now. We've been paddling past loads of jellyfish so far all morning, but at the same time still seeing kingfishers hunting, fishing.
I was exhausted after several hot, long days in a row, and I was starting to feel ill. I needed something to perk me up.
So, we've just seen dolphins. First time I've ever seen them, and I'm so excited. I won't lie, I am absolutely f***ed. So exhausted. I've gone really lightheaded now. I know I need to drink water, but drinking water makes you feel sick. I'm starting to get like shivery, even though the temperature must be in the high 30s right now. We have to get to where we're going because there's literally nowhere else to stop. So we, you just got to do it. Got to do it. There's not really much else we can do. This day has been absolutely mind crushing. Every single bit of the river we've done is pretty much a dead straight line for just endless kilometers, it seems. So when you're paddling, it doesn't feel like you're getting any closer, and when you're not feeling good, it's not easy. It's really not easy.
Hello. So, update. We arrived here at 1 o'clock in Tendaba to the guest house, and by 1:30 Chris and I were asleep, and we did not get up until 8:30 the following morning. I think we're both a little bit ill. I don't know what's happened, but it's not good. But yeah, yesterday absolutely killed us. I mean, we must have eaten something bad the day before, but yeah, paddling in that heat, yeah, that was just too much. We spent the next couple of days recovering. And trying to hold down all the food that we ate. It was a good chance for us to take in what we had already achieved. And a good opportunity for us to plan the rest of our trip, which would have to include a potentially dangerous crossing of the river of over 10 kilometers.
Wow, man. He's gonna go in.
That evening, I was lucky enough to spot more dolphins from the shore.
So I rushed to get the drone, came back, had to wait because there was a bird of prey very close to us, so I didn't want to make the same mistake again. And once it flew off, I took off and it got some really good shots. I'm really happy with them. But when I tried to bring the drone home, the bird had gone back to its original position, not that far from me. I tried to bring it round at an angle where it wouldn't like bother or notice it. But as I was coming, I saw it fly off directly at the drone, and I was still over the water and I was a bit worried. So I had to make evasive action towards the nearest land. It was quite funny because as I was flying, I was watching it in real time, like not on the actual drone controller because I could see where it was. And every like 5 meters, it would like gain extra ground on the drone. So it was quite nerve-wracking. We're both starting to feel a bit better. I'm not shivering anymore. I think we should be okay to start again tomorrow. Finally, we are off. We are paddling now, or at least Chris is, away from Djembe where we were recovering from 2 illnesses. Yeah. What do you think made us ill?
I think it was the mango, unripe mango, that we were eating, But the chemical they use on it was the one that affects our stomach, I guess.
Life jackets now on, as the waves, we had a few of them that were relatively big. So yeah, we are in big water, It does make the seat a lot less comfortable, which is making the bruises on my arse a lot worse already. But yeah, it does make you feel a little bit sick paddling through this over and over again. Which is great on the recovering stomach. Oh well. I didn't pack any seasickness tablets or anything because I am an idiot. I started today really excited to get going again, and ending the day just trying not to throw up. Oh, every time I'm paddling now I just feel like shit. First day back after being ill, and it made me ill again. It's been another one of those days where you arrive somewhere and it's just like 43, 44 degrees, so you can't really do anything. You just turn up, you just find some shade, like we're at in the shade of this baobab tree right now, and we just basically sit here until it gets a bit cooler.
So from now onwards, we say in Banjul people, we are on our way coming, So expect us with full force.
Yeah, we're coming for you, Banjul. Yeah. We're coming for you. I'm being assaulted. I was just lying down resting. We're now waiting for the tide to turn so we can be on our way, just relaxing a little bit.
Yeah.
Both feeling good now. Both feeling good, and
It's flat.
Yeah.
No waves to be seen. Go slowly.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Domanding.
Domanding,
yeah.
This is how Chris lives his life, man. Thank you. See ya. Oh, look how calm it is. So nice.
I like that.
We were finally feeling good and had calm water in front of us. The river was really starting to widen up, and we were on our way to Komoto Point. Having covered 400 kilometers already, and with only 70 left to paddle, it was time to finish off the mission. Thank you for watching, and join us next time as Chris lifts a fish. We visit an island, drink some tea, and try our best to reach the Atlantic.